We love it out there. It's how we meditate. It's a workout and a learning curve. It's our eternal playground. We also know how difficult it is to capture yourself in action. With every action sport bringing its set of unique challenges, nothing generic works. That's why we created AirDog, so you can capture your raddest and most memorable runs effortlessly. AirDog is the world's only self-flying action sports drone, and we've developed AirDog with custom flight modes for every action sport. To understand the unique dynamic of each sport, we worked with world-class athletes. We watched their insane skills and epic moves, listened to their feedback, and engineered it all into AirDog's action sports algorithms. With custom flight modes, AirDog adjusts its behavior depending on the sport to make sure you get a perfect shot while keeping it safe at all times. Surf mode. Instead of wasting battery and footage on your paddle in, AirDog takes off and captures the action when you reach the break zone. Rapid directional changes and rotations are filtered out to give you super steady footage. AirDog makes sure it has enough battery power to return and land safely on the beach by itself. Backcountry snowboarding and skiing. Backcountry action demands extreme precision and sensitivity. And with Air Leash, you get exactly that. Even the most extreme elevation changes won't throw off the ultra-precise tracking. Plus, AirDog notifies you when the battery gets low and gives you enough time to choose a safe landing spot. Mountain biking. AirDog is super compact, making it ready to go wherever you go. Drops, kickers, and epic trails, it's why you do it. AirDog uses LiDAR, a system that will prevent it from crashing into the ground as it flies over terrain that's higher than the terrain that you're riding on. Wakeboarding. Whether you ride cable or boat, we've got you covered. In cable park mode, you just set 2 points along the cable line, creating a path that AirDog will stay on, while following and keeping the camera aimed at you at all times. You can even save multiple flight paths for future sessions. Set the line and go about business as usual. AirDog will automatically land safely on the initial takeoff spot, so no worries about trying to land it while you're in the moment. In wakeboarding boat mode, you don't want the drone to shift with every jump, flip, or rotation. To maintain a smooth shot, leave Air Leash in the boat and set the length of the rope. AirDog offsets the camera's focus to make sure you always get a smooth and perfectly framed shot. These are just a few sports AirDog is built for. There's more and even more to come. This is why AirDog is the only action sports drone. It tracks, follows, and stays safe in the most amazing places and harshest environments. You avoid the hassle, risk, and cost while capturing your action. AirDog dishes out killer footage from unlimited perspectives, so you can share your passion, improve your performance, and aim higher.
Is there a selfie gadget that can take unique pictures to all? That it has a small size, so much that it can fit in your pocket, and that can make you look cool anywhere, anytime? The answer is Dobby. Are you interested? Say goodbye to your selfie sticks. Let's Dobby.
We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives. To use Hover Camera is very simple. Power it on, flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically. With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual slam from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
In order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor. This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch Hover Camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program. We have about 80 plus people now and a very diverse background. We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover Camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
You see? Amazing, isn't it? This is the Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just two guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. It still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Air Selfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Air Selfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5-megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? Air Selfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an Air Selfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.